Hey, Doc Martinez here. I'm doing a quick stop. I'm here in California doing a quick stop because my buddy Whiskey Bank told me to stop at this place. High proof liquor. So I'm going to go in there and see what they have. Looking to see maybe they have a 222. The Bardstown over at Infinity Blend. Might have to grab one of these Bardstowns. I've never had a single barrel before. So they have these in here, which is interesting because they do have a lot of good selections in here. But they're doing it as a program where if you spend so much, you get that much. But the thing is, you have to spend from this list, which I think is actually a pretty fair way of doing this. I think that's pretty neat, and that's a great way of doing it. Great selection here. That Old Man Winter, I like that pour. I have that at home. It's such a good one. And you got some Foregate here, and look, they even have the Boomburger and Shanks in here as well. Pretty cool. Now this Blanton's and these Wellers are in here, and they're in that program. But check out the cool thing. I mean, honestly, if you're looking at this, that Weller Foolproof, 79 if you spend 150. That Blanton's, 149 if you spend 120. That's a great idea. It's great. Now just a quick overview of their section. And so here we have, it says Japanese, but I don't see any Japanese below it. So maybe it's just the, you know, your bourbons and the fine and rare and the rye. So I'll kind of go over those really quickly as well. In front of me here, they have the Spots and the Redbreast as well. They got a little friend here. He likes to greet you. He greeted me at the door, and he seems to have found me again. Cute little guy. He's gonna help me with the rest of this video, I think. He's just chilling out with me. So look at this. Free Ranch, you know, Nancy Fraley's starting to work with them, but I've not seen this. Well, let me know. Is this something I should have picked up? I don't know. I might just pick it up, but I don't have a lot of room in my luggage, so thinking about that. But I'm just gonna go through these really quickly, and if you need to, slow it down or pause it as you go. But lots of good choices here. The Moonlight, those are fun. I saw that at Kentucky Bourbon Festival last year, and they're actually pretty good pours. But some good stuff here. Really good stuff. Hirsch single barrels. I like the Hirsch. They're really good pours. Hey, the Judge. I've never seen the Judge. Hey, Bourbon Judge, do you know anything about this one? I don't. Now, I was hoping they had the Murray Hill, the special release. I could pick up a backup, but not seeing one here. Good selection of Redwood as well. Smoke Eye, a lot of people are talking about this one. I haven't had it, haven't seen it in my area, but I'm probably not taking that because I'm grabbing something else and it won't fit in my luggage. But I've seen Knob Creek recently everywhere, but they have it for a good price. I think I paid $60 or $64 for that. So some good pricing on that and some good makers here as well. Now I'm thinking about it, I probably should have filmed this in the other way, but I started this way, so I'm gonna keep doing it this way. But some good stuff here, barrel proof, some good barrel foundation. This one's one of my favorite daily pours. I used to drink that one all the time. I would love to take this one home with me, but I just don't know if I have enough room, so I probably won't. They have the whole benchmark here, which is pretty cool. You don't see that everywhere. I know in my area it's always locked up. I don't know why, but great pricing on it, because even in my area I pay like $25 for these bottles, and they're 19 here. So of course I have to show Major Zero's favorite product. Yep, well, it's there. If you watch them, you know what I'm talking about. Look at all these Russell Selects. They got the Barrel 36. I like the new labels. You don't have to stare at them. That 36 just stares out at you. I mean, pops out at you, right? A lot of other good stuff here. As I said, I'm just kind of going through it real quick. If you want to watch a good video on this, head over to Whiskey Bank. He actually goes through each one pretty nicely and kind of does comparison on pricing, which I think is pretty cool. So just wanted to show you the rye selection. I actually think I need to try this Madura. So I got an Still Awesome with the Madura finish. I haven't tried it yet, but I don't know if I've had anything with the Madura cast finish. So I would like to do a comparison. Jack Daniels here, become more of a Jack fan again after doing the barrel pick. And then Garrison Brothers. So Garrison Brothers, I know Whiskey Bank was asking about Garrison Brothers. So Garrison Brothers is very different, has a very unique Texas funk, as people like to call it. If I were to choose one, I definitely go with the single barrels. Those seem to be my favorites. Now, this is a good price for this because this is usually 189 to two something. It's not my favorite out of all of them. It's one that I don't really enjoy, but it's because it has a big raisin taste to it. And I don't like raisins, but hey, if you like that one, good for you. I'm glad you do. It just raisins just to me just never kind of hit my palate right. But I do enjoy this, and I have a single pick that I got to do a pick with, and that's a lot of fun. All right, last few sections here just to kind of show you New Riff. I'll be going out there pretty quickly and grabbing a bottle that I got from them. So it's a special release bottle from New Riff. Here you got the Green River as well, some Wyoming stuff going on here. Few, I haven't had any Few yet. I don't know, let me know. And then, oh, I just heard about this one. Few with Smashing Pumpkins. I haven't tried it, have just heard about it. And this is something I've also really wanted to try, Westward. After watching their interview, I really like what their concept is, and it's something I would like to try. And I actually heard that if you mix these two, it's a great mix. And so that's something I would like to do. Just can't take them home with me today, unfortunately. I wish I had the space to do that. So if you're wondering what I got, there we go. Got a Joseph's Magnus 261. Now it's not the 222 I'm looking for, but I'm working on that. Bardstown single barrel, and then another Nancy Fraley Wyoming 10-year. Looking forward to trying these.